Another day, another second pod. Welcome to the iSpooge Daily channel. Sovereign media creator brand. I'm walking on a bike path. I just ate an apple. My rice is cooking in the bag. I'm going to eat it as soon as I'm done recording this. Do you like the play-by-play, live journal style? What do you listen to the channel for? Just like the background noise? Do you like my voice? Do you like the topics I talk about? Do you like waiting to hear about my destruction? Are you a competitor? Trying to figure out everything I'm doing? Trying to demoralize me? I don't get it. What is it? Why do you listen to a homeless guy if you're on your highest timeline? Aren't there other channels you can listen to? And on your highest timeline, people just let homeless creators rot on the street? All right. Sounds like a good highest timeline. I don't know if I want to be part of that one. I was going to talk about something on this one, I forgot. That's all right. You guys can hang around as I think it through. How much is your time worth? Is it worth more than mine? Every time I publish this, 50 people will listen. So every minute that I keep you hanging, I'm wasting an hour of humanity's time. Feels good, man. Feels good. Are you lonely? Do you imagine that we'd be friends? Because probably not. Hate to bust the bubble. There's homeless people all over the place, bums who want to be friends, and I just walk right past them. I don't even look at them. That's probably how I treat you, dear listener. To a bum who you don't even give money to. And if you do, thank you. Doesn't mean we can be friends either. But I appreciate the Christly investment in humanity. Because, yeah, what am I working for? I mean, in a way, it's selfish. I'm building assets. But the assets serve and yes, sometimes homeless bums ride right past me and don't even look at me. And it makes me feel a little bad. But not a lot bad, and not for long. Because I'm like, yeah, I only want them to look at me so that I cannot look at them. Sounds like you're an avoidant personality. No, I'm just classist. I got out of the trenches of the lower class when I was very young, and there's nothing there. Maybe other lower class people who I can help, but we don't have to be friends. You can just find stuff in my content, and maybe when you're upper class, middle class at least, the peak of where I've been, middle class, maybe then we can be friends. But as long as you're lower class, nope, got nothing to do with you. Christ didn't have stuff to do with everybody. Like he didn't hang out with the Pharisees. I don't know if it's exactly the same thing, but yeah, maybe I'm shooting myself in the foot by not associating with less evolved people. Maybe they feel like they're more evolved. Maybe they really are. But most of them are just like beasts. And so it's not a bad rule to just not associate with the lower class at all. I'd recommend it. If you got a bunch of friends in the lower class with you, drop them. Forget those bums. If they make it to the middle class, cool. You can go back and have a beer for old time's sake. But they might still be snakes trying to throw you out of the middle class. It's like, cool, we both made it. Now let me kick you down so that I can be the one with the story. You think that doesn't happen too? You think your friend in poverty, who you got out of poverty with, wants both of you to crawl up? You think they want to be the co-star, slumlord underdog? No, they want to be the one with the story. So they'll kick you down in a second just so that you can't be there with them. So, yes, drop your bum friends. This talk is taking an interesting turn. I can't wait to eat that rice. Can't wait to get a little money in my bank account so I can go to Starbucks, do that computer stuff. I'm such an addict. I just have my mission, and your bum friends are keeping you from figuring out what your mission is. Like, I will spend 4 days in Starbucks doing what I feel called to do before I spend 5 minutes having a chat with a bum who wants to come by and mock and scoff, and if they cooperate, will you climb out of poverty together, kick you down when you get up to the top. Savages. Avoid these people. Well, I know these people. Okay, cool, there's an exception to a rule. Whoa, what a concept. Use your discernment. But you know, if this is triggering you, that your friends are bums, that you need to stop associating with, and then you'll start to see it. Then you'll understand why I don't respond to people in chat and stuff. Unless there are people who can employ me. Those are going to be higher class people. Doesn't mean they're all good. Little to do with morality. It's just they don't have the incentive. They don't have the ego self-protection mechanism. They don't have that time to sit and stew about their slumdog underlord story, where slumlord underdog story, that's kind of a funny slip. You know, where they're picturing themselves as making it out, and then just where do you fit in the story? Nowhere. So it might not even be calculated. They just kick you down because you don't fit in their ego story. Simple as. So I think we're going on 10 minutes. Yeah. Support the channel. Get me out of poverty. It's on the channel info page. You can find all the links. Patreon would be the best. Buy me a coffee is slow. Cash App and Venmo give me money same day, which is so nice. I could go to Starbucks today and get a good day of work in. That's all I want. Thanks for joining, and cheers.